this boat. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Grab the door. Hello, Familia. Good morning, well, good afternoon. It is a beautiful Sunday, and we are out here in Mandaluyong City. We came to meet up with Kuya Alvin and the family out at the water station here, and just kind of give them a quick little plug real fast. If you're in the Mandaluyong area, live in or around here, come and check out Pure Flow Water Station. We're gonna get on a boat today and we are gonna ride down the Pasig River. We're gonna go check out one of the premier areas, I guess, in the city. So come on out and join us. Woo. Oh, gotta squeeze your big old butt in there. There's the boys.
I truly enjoy riding these tricycles because it gives me an opportunity to discover places I've never seen before. And the boys seem excited too.
Even on a Sunday, the streets are still buzzing with people out here getting stuff done. It's not so, I think, busy as it probably normally is. Sunday is typically reserved as a family day. Here we've noticed in the Philippines, but honestly, I actually enjoy this. I know some people probably look at it like, oh my gosh, you're riding in a tricycle and there's a motorcycle and you know, you have like the smell of the gasoline next to you. But I honestly don't mind it at all. It's a great way to get around, to be completely honest, in the city. Gets you where you need to go quickly and fairly affordable, of course. See if I can do this without falling down. Oh, woo. We're out. Look at that. What a view that is back there. It's kind of funny, like doing things like this and seeing, you know, these tricycles are driving through. This is like someone's street, like people are living right here. And obviously it's very loud, and it kind of makes me laugh a little bit about some of the complaints that I hear from people who live in BGC. I kind of chuckle because I'm like, you guys have no idea, you know, what things really are like. So, oh my gosh, I got lost track of what I was saying because I see all these kids out here playing basketball. Check it out. There's a court right out here by the river. That's awesome. Hi guys. Hi. Casey, you want to go play basketball? You don't know? Not sure? I think we gotta find where we go to get on the boat. Hi! Say hello! Hello, hello, hello! All right. Bye. Ate Judith and Kuya Alvin are always making sure we're taken care of when we go out and do these things. They handle that part and I just pay them back. Whoa, look at that! We're gonna get on this boat! Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Definitely a new experience for us here in the Philippines. Can I turn around? Oh my gosh.
Brian keeps interrupting me for a photo op.
Yeah, Brian's trying to make me trip and fall before I even get on this boat. So, hold on tight. Woo! Hello. Oh my goodness. Wow! What an experience! Hi, Ate. Hi. This is so cool.
The racket from the boat motor is incessant, but I can barely hear it. We're gliding across Pasig River on this humble boat, and it's a surreal experience.
It's funny, like a lot of times in the vlog, what I'll do is I'll do a voiceover sort of after we've already gone through the experience, because it's really hard for me to put into words exactly like my thoughts and feelings in this moment. I'm speechless a lot of the times. I just look around and I'm just like, wow, this is amazing. This is so cool. So a lot of times I really have to reflect and think back on it. So you'll probably see some narration, some kind of voiceover. How long was that ride? Like a whole minute? We're here? No? Yes? Hey, that was fast. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Salamat. Whew. All right, trying to get up here without falling down. Ready? Practicing those box jumps. Oh, graceful. Waldo doesn't want to be on camera, so he's trying to hide behind me over there. So where are we, Kuya?
Already in Makati.
Okay, we're already in Makati.
Yeah, this is JP Rizal Street.
JP Rizal Street is where we're walking right now. And right in front of us off to the left is the Rockwell neighborhood. So secrets out, that's where we're heading. We're gonna go check out Rockwell. I think we're gonna go into the power plant mall today, and we're gonna eat at the Grid. I'm really excited. We've been there a couple times before. If you follow us on Instagram, you've probably seen some stories or some stuff from Kaysen about a trip or two we've made to the Grid in the past, but we wanted to go out today and do Sunday Family Day with Kuya Alvin, Ate Judith, and Ate Lisa, and really get to go out and hang out at the Grid with them. We haven't done that yet, so it's hard to pay attention while I'm walking. I know, Ate, I was telling Brian, we haven't seen you guys since Christmas. It's too long. Wow, is that a condos, Novotel?
Yeah.
Those are big patios. They have big balconies over there. I don't know if you can see it. I see a double L right there. Australia.
Yeah, Australia.
Australia. It's almost the same still. Brian and we're always talking about the double L, the Elie pronunciation, because I'll purposely say it in the Spanish way and not the Filipino way.
I think we're at Rockwell now, guys. Hello.
So pretty. Wow, this is so cool. We don't get to do this often.
I know.
Number one, we don't get to do things like this often, like here in this part of the city. And we don't spend enough time with Kuya Alvin and Ate Judith and Alisa. So I was telling Brian the other day that we really need to get out here more often. What better day to do that than Sunday Family Day? Still speechless, still don't really know what to say. There's a lot of greenery over here.
It's only been a short walk away from the river, and the landscape has now drastically changed.
I wonder, but not too much. I know that condo prices and housing prices over in this area are like crazy high, especially compared to what we went and recently looked at when we were out in car. I can understand why, I can see why. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Look at the architecture of this one right here. God, they're huge. I don't even want to know how many stories that is. Yeah, I'm sure they're very, very expensive here. Millions of dollars, even US.
And we finally arrive. Malls are a big part of the culture in the Philippines.
Let's head inside. This mall is very, very, very pretty. It does remind me a little bit of Esamora, only it is much bigger, it feels like, than Esamora is, and I do feel like they've got quite a few more eating options in here. So today we're gonna go upstairs, we're gonna check out the Grid because there's so many different choices for everybody. Everyone can get something, plus Brian loves the vegan tacos at La Chinesca, so he's got his favorite option there to choose from. I also heard that the Bored and Hungry pop-up has become permanent, so hopefully it is open as of today. It's this way. Hey, look guys, they have a Carmen's Best ice cream right there. What? Your favorite ice cream? Hi, Papa. Yes, we've been here a couple of times. Here we are. The Grid.
It is known for its upscale and diverse culinary offerings, featuring a selection of food stalls curated by some of Manila's most popular and innovative chefs. The food hall offers a range of cuisines, from traditional Filipino dishes to international favorites like Japanese ramen, Italian pasta, and American-style burgers. Each stall offers a unique dining experience with its own distinct menu and style of presentation. They even have a coffee/cocktail bar if you're interested in getting the party started while having lunch. I can guarantee you that you probably don't have an oyster shucking station at your local mall food court.
All right, so that is one thing about coming here, especially on a Sunday where everyone's out in the malls, everyone's out to eat, everyone's out shopping. My biggest recommendation would be to make sure that you secure your seat first before you go and find your food, because seating is somewhat limited. It is hard to find seats, especially if you're traveling with a bigger group. So definitely get your table first. Coffee ribs? Ooh, that sounds good. Ate's getting coffee ribs. And scissor cut chicken curry? Okay. Ate, it's not available. We gotta pick something else. That happens. Not available, sold out. So next stall, let's see what else we can pick. There's tacos, lobster, crab, and shrimp rolls. Keep walking, baby, keep walking. Thompson Road, what is that? Clay pot, rice, siomai, and laksa. Ooh, wow, that sounds delicious. They see something they might like. Last time we were here, Rowan got the Bad Bird. He loves Bad Bird fried chicken. Noodles, they're making noodles. All right, second choice, we're gonna do katsu. Tenderloin maki katsu and a chicken katsu curry, so fingers crossed. Kuya's trying to break the bank. He really, really wants this truffle mac and cheese that he keeps seeing. He's been a very, very good boy today, so I think we're gonna go ahead and get him his truffle mac and cheese. Kason, you wanna go check it out? I hope they have it.
I want the scallop one.
So the truffle scallop mac and cheese, not the lobster, truffle scallop.
I could always get the lobster.
Which one? It's a special treat today.
I'm gonna save and then I want to drink too. Truffle lobster mac and cheese. Just getting scallops.
Okay. Ate just told us that your mac and cheese will take 20 minutes. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Of course, you're gonna wait for scallop truffle mac and cheese. I'm hungry and I don't know what I want to eat. It's the worst when you're hungry because you could basically eat just about anything. The dan dan noodles looked pretty good to me, so I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll go that route. That's something new I haven't tried before. Also, a burger is very reliable. This Chinoy comfort food looks amazing. Rowan's asking for tacos, so I could go for that as well. I really don't know what to pick. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna have to put this down. I think I have an aversion to pork, so I saw the spicy dan dan pork noodles and they look really, really good. I've had the dan dan noodles back in San Francisco before, but I just saw they have a vegan version. I asked Kuya here and he assures me that the vegan version is delicious, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. And I also ordered the spicy smashed cucumbers. So this is what we got right here, but the vegan version. Okay, and Roro wanted some fire tiger as well, so we just got him something new this time. We haven't done this before. It's the aloha egg, so he's super excited for that. Mommy just got herself something simple, some Thai milk tea, because I have a feeling I might need it depending on how spicy these noodles are gonna be. Ooh, that looks delicious, Rowan. Probably lots of sugar in there. Your favorite, huh?
I'm being summoned.
Kuya's lobster mac and cheese is ready. Oh my.
I want scallop mac and cheese.
Yes. Thank you so much. Be very, very careful, Mommy. Kuya, can you move your stuff? There you go. All right. Time to go get those noodles. This way, Kuya. Hey, handsome. Noodles, noodles, noodles. Yes. Ooh, yummy. Thank you so much.
They had so much good stuff on the menu.
Alrighty guys, we're here at the grid today and I ordered from Bon Appetit where I got the truffle scallop mac and cheese. Truffle itself, it smells very strong and earthy and there's this crispiness on top of it and it looks really good. The truffle itself is the strongest flavor in the whole dish. I really like the crispy mac and cheese thing, where as you put those little flakes on it, it makes it really crispy. The noodles itself were slightly chewy and they soaked up all the sauce and it was so good. The mac and cheese is slightly earthy, mostly because of the truffle, and very cheesy because of all the cheese sauce on it. So the scallops itself has a very nice sweet sea saltiness to it, and truffles and cheese together is just such a good combination.
For our vegan lovers out there, these are some vegan carnitas tacos that Brian absolutely loves.
So good.
I I feel like I defeated the purpose of getting something healthy because it's covered in like sesame oil. But this is the spicy smashed cucumber.
It's so good.
So they're actually served cold, which I love. It really does feel like a true cucumber salad, but then it's got all that spicy chili oil. It looks like or feels like maybe there's some sort of like a patis in there. I can't quite put my finger on it, but there's another flavor mixed in. It gives it a little bit more of like a Chinese influence for sure. How was your taco? It's all gone.
The crispy chicken, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah, I like the sauce, the spicy.
The salsa.
Yeah.
Ate, how was your katsu?
Good.
It's really good? And the other ate, she's hiding. Rowan, where's your taco? Vegan spicy dan dan noodles. That's amazing. I was kind of worried about ordering this because it was something that I don't normally order. Pretty out of my comfort zone. That is absolutely incredible. Brian, you're gonna love this. You definitely have to try some.
Rowan was still hungry, so I had to get him some extra food. Take a guess what he wanted. As we wrap up this meal, I reflect on our day and express my gratitude to the family for spending some time with us. As usual, something new, something different, and something that I hope the kids will remember as the years go by, expanding their worldview and praying that they will not take things like this for granted. And of course, thank you for spending your time with us today. We hope to see you on the next one. Salamat and ingat till next time.
Hold on a second. What was it? We're gonna check out one of the premiere areas.
I guess premiere area. I don't know.
But most days, my hugest, I said hugest again.
What is 8 times 3? 24. You're gonna do that with your coffee?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it with my coffee.
Then we have to film this.
We have to filter.
5 ways of stupid sour food. My mother likes sour food too.
What like Nothing.
How? I'm tired and I keep on yawning and then he just sprays it in my mouth.